What's up guys, Justin here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a quick look at and installing the SMU floor mats shown here in black, available for all make and model Mustangs. Now you guys should be checking out these black vinyl options if you dig that red Mustang logo front and center, and would like to also add an affordable mat to help protect the carpet in your ride. So right off the bat here guys, I will say that most Mustang owners watching this are probably more interested in the mats, not because you are a Southern Methodist University alum. Now this logo of course will appeal to a lot of Mustang owners out there for obvious reasons, and again will be a great way to add some customized protection to the carpets in your ride, while also adding that nice pop of red color at the same time. Now moving into construction here guys, and these mats will feature a very thick, very durable vinyl material in black, and you'll notice there's plenty of deep channeling in areas for water, mud, snow, coffee, whatever, to kind of gather on the mat here, and more importantly, stay off of your carpet. Now if these things do get a bit dirty, you know the deal, right? Yank them out, hose them off, and they're good as new. Now the cherry on top here, if you will, is gonna be the bright red SMU Mustang logo, which of course will look right at home in any year Mustang at home. Now one thing I do have to point out here guys is that these are a one size fits most mat. So don't expect a perfectly tailored fit like a more expensive WeatherTech or a Husky liner or something like that. But with that being said, I say check out the customer submitted images on these mats back on the product page if you haven't done so already, and you'll notice they do fit rather well in a wide variety of Mustangs. Now honestly here, for around that $50 to $60 ballpark price, guys, it really is hard to argue with the universal fit options here with the Mustang logo. Now the reality is a lot of those custom fit laser measured options are going to run you north of $100 all day long for the front pair. And on top of that, a lot of those laser measured options don't typically include any sort of logo like the SMU options that we have here today. So with these in place, you're still gonna be getting some solid protection overall at a very affordable price point. All right guys, moving into the install, and what else can we say? These are floor mats, the softest 1 out of 3 wrenches imaginable, and I would say 5 minutes most to complete from start to finish. Now, if you're still a little confused on how this one might go down, here is a detailed walkthrough provided by an AM customer now.
So the install should be pretty straightforward. No tools really necessary. I am going to use some scissors to cut off the excess on top of the floor mats. Hey everyone, this is my 2019 Mustang EcoBoost. Today we're going to be putting in some floor mats from American Muscle. So step one is just going to be taking out your old floor mats. These are just the stock floor mats that came with the car. Alright, and here's our new floor mat. Like I said, I am going to be cutting off this top here. I don't think it's necessary. And then we'll do that for both sides. Alright, and then our final step is just to throw our new mats back in.
So wrapping this one up here, gang, again, if you are looking for some affordable Mustang themed protection for the carpet of that old or new Mustang at home, be sure to check out these SMU options right here at AmericanMuscle.com.